Meaning of developmental.
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 Developmental. The term developmental refers to the growth or advancement of something over a period of time. It implies progress and improvement towards a desired goal or outcome. In the context of child development, it refers to the various physical, cognitive, and emotional changes that occur as a child grows and matures into adulthood. Developmental processes are often marked by key milestones or stages, which can be unique to different individuals or cultures. Ultimately, the goal of developmental processes is to achieve a state of optimal functioning and well-being, whether in individuals, organizations, or broader society.